Lungfish are an ancient fish that can be found in Africa, South America and Australia. They live in the murky margins of swamps and rivers. But sometimes, water can dry up during droughts. Lungfish have found a way around this fundamental problem. Their strange solution has enabled them to survive for more than 300 million years. When their watery home vanishes, lungfish can turn to breathing air, like a mammal. Droughts can last for years on end. So the lungfish digs down in mud to create a burrow, where it coats itself